Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so I told you regarding the distribution of land in the previous class. So after that, we have a topic regarding labor. Okay, so till now, whatever I took, that was all about land. I told you land is fixed, then how can we increase the land production from the land? And then one more point I told you related to that, what are the farming methods they used in on the land to get more production.
Effect of modern farming.
And yeah, modern farming, effect of modern farming, I told you. Then one more thing, land, how was the distribution of land in Palampur. Okay, so here related to that, one picture is given in your textbook, that also you can see. Just 1 minute.
I'm working on fields, that one.
Which one? Division of land, it is shown, right? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Distribution of land among the people, that is shown. This picture, if you see, I told you about this, but just once more I'll just tell, just to see this, this plot of land, what I'm drawing here, not here fully. Okay, mainly this area. You can see so many small plots, like, right or not? So many small plots are
Yes,
there
ma'am.
here, and here if you compare this plot, which I'm drawing now, that is a large plot. If all these small plots included in this, if you bring it inside, you can see that that will fit into that, right? Yes or no? So you see that one person, this is owned by one person. Okay, and this is owned by so many farmers. So you see that how unequally they have distributed the land here. It's not at all equal. Some are having more land in their name, or some are having very less number of small plots only they have in their under their ownership. So this is just to show that how the land was distributed unequally among the villagers in the Palampur. Okay, now next one, here one picture, you can see that they are just asking you to order. Modern methods of cultivation is there, and even some are doing the traditional methods, you can see. So just you can order it. First, what we are doing, sowing the seeds, then you can see first plowing the seeds, then sowing the seeds here, then spraying, and all those things you can see in this particular picture. Now next one, here one pie chart is given. Just see that also is related to the distribution of land. Okay, here that this color, what does it mean? This color, what does it mean? What do you mean by this?
Working farmers.
What is that?
Number of
Marginal
farmers.
and small.
Yeah, marginal and small farmers, or number of farmers in the small, in the category of small farmers. So you can see 85% of the people. So you just think that out of 100, 85 farmers, they own how much of the lands?
55.5.
Is it 50?
Amazing.
Less than half of the percentage, less than half of the land is owned by so many people here. And you can see 15 people, they are owning how much? How much area they are having? More than, or you can say large farmers. Okay, so majority of the land, it is in the hands of whom? Yes, it is in the hands of whom? Majority of the land.
Lesser amount of farmers.
What is that?
Lesser amount of farmers.
Yeah, large farmers. Okay, majority of the land is in the hands of large farmers. Okay, now the next question, so all these things I told, it is related to land. Now next question is what? Who is going to provide the labor here? Okay, or who is giving, or who is doing the labor work in this particular land. So that is the first thing. You know that farming, it requires a lot of manual work. Okay, a lot of people are required for doing the work in the on the land here. Okay, so small farmers, you can see, you know that small farmers means what? Their plot of land will be small, right? So will they call other laborers to work on their land?
No.
Will no, they will not call, because what they do, their family itself, many will be there to work on the land. So they just all the family members together, they work in their own fields. Okay, so small farmers, if you see, along with the families, they cultivate their own fields. Okay, so what happens? They are not calling any laborer from outside. Whoever is there in the family, they will use their labor for farming in their own land. Okay, next one, we are talking about medium and large farmers. Now you can see that medium and large farmers, they own large plots of land, more than 2 hectares of land. It is very big. So they can't work on their own land, and they are a little bit rich also. So they don't want to work on their land. What they do, they will hire farm laborers. Hire farm laborers in the sense, what do you mean by hire farm laborers? They
Who
will,
has more to
yeah, they will call some people to work on their land, and they will be giving, what they will get?
money?
Wages. They will be getting wages here. Okay, so to work on their fields, what the farmers will do, large farmers will hire the farm laborers. Now, farm laborers, from where do we get these farm laborers? From where they are coming? Hmm? Any idea? Do you think that every family in a village, they own land?
No.
No. So there are some people, those who don't have land at all. So they should get employment, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what happens? These farm laborers, they come from landless families. Landless families. See, when I say landless family, it doesn't mean that they don't own any house or anything. I'm talking about the land for cultivation. Okay, so they are coming from landless families because they don't own any farmland or anything for working. So to get the employment, what they do, they will go to others' field and work. And one more thing is that sometimes, you know that the small farmers, they have small plot of land. So they will work on that. They may have extra time sometimes, or they don't have much money. So what they do, they will go and work in the field of large farmers also. So it's not that they will work only in their field, they will work in their field. At the same time, it is a small plot, so everyone will not get employment from the family, or all are not have, they are having some extra time, leisure time they have. So what they do, they will go and work in the farmers, this large farmers land here. Okay, now whenever any laborer is working on a farmland, or they are doing cultivation, okay, laborer I'm talking, do you think that whatever they are cultivating, they can take and go? Can they take and go?
No.
No. Why? Because they are the ones who is working, right? Why can't they take?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you
See,
repeat?
laborers, they are working in the large farmers' land, right?
Yes.
They are the one who is working, but whether they can take the whole, whatever production they get, whether they can take it or not. Can they
No.
take? No. Why?
No, no.
Why?
And the owner is going to sell that.
Yeah, the owner will be taking that. Laborers, even though they work, everything they do, but they are not going to get that production. They will, what they will be getting?
The money.
They will be getting some wages and all, or some amount of money. Now, sometimes what the landowner will do, landowner will give that in kind also. In kind, in the sense, they will be getting the wages in cash also, at the same time in kind also. Kind in the sense, if they are producing rice in that particular field, the owner will say that, okay, I will give 1 glass of rice to you along with the wage. So that is a wage of the, along with the money, that is a wage of that particular person. For example, okay, he may tell that, okay, 100 rupees for you as a money, and 1 glass of rice I will be giving every day. Like that can be, the owner can say. So wages, they may pay, how it can be in cash also, or it can be in kind also. Whatever crop they are producing, sometimes they may be paid in that particular crop. Okay, got you understood? What do you mean by in kind, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so wages, it can be in cash also or in kind also. So next one, what they have given, before that, I want you to see the bubble, whatever one bubble is given in your textbook, they are talking. Two people are talking, Dala and Ramkali. Okay, just see that, what she is telling, what he is telling. Gobi, can you read the first one? The person, this one. Just read this. Louder. You can see the screen and read.
Ma'am, he is saying, but his voice is too low.
Okay, okay, okay. Mithun, can you read then?
It is very difficult to find work these days. Only
Hmm.
the large farmers hire us.
Hire
And
us,
that
hire us, okay?
hire us. And that too for very limited number of days.
Now, what is he talking about now in this?
It's very difficult to find job
Yes,
these days.
very difficult to get job. That means he's remaining unemployed. Okay, and Lee, who is employing them?
Hire farmers.
Large
Yeah, who is hire in the sense you take for rent, like that it is. Hire means you employ that person. Okay, so here large farmers only hiring us. They are only giving employment to us. But that too you can see large farmer. Okay, next person, Asim, can you read this? Louder. Ghanshyam, that one.
the large farmer.
Louder, louder.
Genshin, the large farmer, has just bought harvest, so we are going to get even less work during the harvest season this year. First, I work for less than 5 months in the year.
Yes, what is she telling? She's talking about a large farmer here.
Yes.
Yes.
They brought machines.
Harvester.
Yeah, large farmer is he bought a harvester. You know that then if harvester is there, almost all the work will be done in that harvester itself. So what will happen to their employment here?
They will be get
No.
less money.
They will not be getting much job this year. So it is a great problem now. So what she was telling, last year I worked less than 5 months. That means she was not having job on every day. So this year what will happen? That's what she is asking. Okay, and she's telling what kind of unemployment she is facing. Only some months she is employed, remaining she is not employed. So what kind of unemployment it is? Can you think of? Only in particular months she is absent. I mean, sorry, she is not having employment.
Yes. When the machine is going to be
No. See, there is a kind of unemployment. We say it is a seasonal unemployment. Okay. In that particular season, only sometimes the people may have employment. Remaining months, she will remain, or any person will remain unemployed. They may not have job. So there is a kind of unemployment you can see here. So she was telling that only 5 months I could work. Less than 5 months only she could work. Next one. Shankari, can you read?
We have tractors for plowing, harvesters for harvesting, and
Huh.
threshers for
Hmm.
threshing, even removing weeds. Some farmers spray weeds.
So he's telling how they are doing the plowing. I mean, what method they are using there. That's all. Okay. Jairus, can you tell, can you read the next one?
Yes,
This
miss.
one. This one. This one.
Miss, which one I can't see?
This one. This one. I owe.
Miss,
Yes, yes, you
can I
got
start?
it. Yeah, sure.
Miss, can I start?
Yes, yes.
I owe the local. I owe the local miners rupees 2000. I had taken rupees 1000 last summer when no work was available in the fields.
Hmm.
How will I ever repay?
Hmm.
I hardly ever
Earn.
I hardly earn enough for 2 square meals.
So that is also a condition of this person. Dala,
Earn.
they have given. I owe means what? What do you mean by I owe? Anyone? Hmm? I owe means what?
Forget.
I?
Forget.
No.
Ma'am, I
They
have.
have to pay them.
I owe. I have to pay. Or I am I have what here it is meaning that he has taken some amount of money from the money lender. How much he took actually?
1000.
1000. But what happened after 1 year? It has become
2000.
2000. He was not able to pay the money because he was not having proper work during that time. So what happened here? How he is going to pay? That is the question he is asking. How I am going to pay? I have no idea. Okay, and he is telling that even I'm not able to earn money to support my family. At least only 2 days, sorry, in a day, only two square meals, in the sense what they're telling, at least 2 times only they are eating. Maybe that is also not, that is also very difficult for him. He is not able to provide 2 times meals in a particular day. That is his situation. So he is like, he's feeling very bad. This is one situation. Okay, another one here, what this lady is talking. Mishal, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This year I will have I will have to look for work in the brick making unit in
Hmm.
Raiganj.
So she is telling that because last year she was not getting job. So what she is planning this year, I will go somewhere. There is a brick making unit. So there I will go and work. Then only she can earn some amount of money. Nima, can you read next one? Last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
My situation is now much better. Due to past struggles, the moneylenders refused to give me any
Yeah.
loan.
See, she has also taken loan. And has she repaid that? No, she did not repay that. So here again, if she go and ask money lenders what they are telling, they will not
It
pay
did not.
her because the last one is not paid at all. So they are not going to give any more loan to this particular lady or Ramkali. Okay, so this is one conversation they have given mainly to make you to understand the situation of labor. What is their situation, whether they are getting proper employment or not, like that it
No.
is. Yeah, she is not having proper employment, especially in the in this fields and all. You can see unemployment is too much. Now, if you take the case of wages, okay, wages, you know, that is the money what the farmer is getting now or the laborer is getting. So it varies from region to region, or you can say it changes from one region to another. Some areas the wages will be better, some areas wages will be very low. That is the situation. So wide differences you can see in the matter of these wages also. At the same time, some are having daily employment, some are not having, some are having only few days employment. Like that situation you can see. Now, Dala, if you see what kind of a laborer he is, a daily laborer or like a salary he is getting,
Monsoon.
yeah,
Seasonal.
daily. No, daily wages. He gets daily wages. In the sense, every day he is not employed, but whenever he go for the work, he will be getting the daily wages. Okay. Now, here you can see that means daily wages he will go to work But at the same time, you can see that he should regularly look for work. It's not necessary that every day he will be getting a job in that particular field. So every day he should see that whether he has a job or not. Now, there is a law in our country, or one minimum wages act is passed in our country. So according to that, it is said that farm laborer should be getting 300 rupees per day. Okay, so what is the wages set by the government here for a farm laborer?
300 per day.
300 rupees. But you see, Dala is getting only 160. What is the reason for this? Why is it so? Government is telling that you should pay this much amount
Ma'am,
of money.
because on that land machines are working.
Is
So
it
they are
because,
getting.
okay, so machines are working, it's okay, fine. But the person is working, na? At least one person is working. So, what is the reason? What will be the reason?
Sometimes the production will be less for that
Is-
month.
Is it? Is it? Can you think of? Just think. At the same time, if they are going for other work, they are getting wage. But here they are not getting. Why? What is the reason? Why the wages are very low in some areas? Here, I'll tell you one thing. You just compare Kerala and other states. Other states, the laborers, they are having very less wage. But here, the wages are very high. You might have heard that the people are paying 800 rupees and all per day, or sometimes 1000 rupees also per day. Why is it so? Is there any reason? Maybe if
To
you go to
increase the labor.
No, maybe if you go to Tamil Nadu, if you can see that they are ready to work for 200 rupees or 300 rupees like that. But in Kerala, laborers you will not get for 300 and all. We are paying somewhat 800,000 and all. What will be the reason for that? Can you think of? Just think what it will be.
Competition
Competition of what?
works.
Competition of work? Is it competition of work?
Heavy.
Ma'am, ma'am, each labor.
Labors.
You are coming to the point. Tell.
Ma'am, the
Farmer labor.
among the labors.
One person.
Ma'am, the competition for work among the laborers.
For getting the laborers. Okay, you think of laborers in our Kerala state and compared to the other state. What do you feel here, laborer?
Here laborers are
Plus
Number of laborers are very less. But what happens in Dala's place?
when they
There are more labors.
Yeah, there are more laborers. So to get a job, they will say that, okay, you give less amount of money, I will work. But that doesn't happen in other areas where laborers are very less. Okay, so that is why one reason they have given related to the less wage for the laborers. The reason that is given in your textbook also, you just see that is mainly because of heavy competition for work. Okay, because people are not having any work, so they are competing with each other to get the work. So they are ready to work even at a lower wages. So that is what Dala is complaining, his situation is like this. And to whom he is complaining, Ramkali, she is also a farm laborer. Okay, so they are considered as the poorest people in the village. That is one special thing related to the laborers here. Just see the video now.
Only by selling his produce. Small farmers grow just enough crops to feed their families. They are left with
Okay, so this is regarding the large farmers. How was their life they have given? So that before that, we have a seminar, right? Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so we will do that. Then one more period is there. In that we will continue. Okay, so who is the next person now? Yes. Yes. First group leader. Catherine,
Ma'am, Ashmit's
Ashmit.
group is there.
Yes, ma'am.
what is that?
Ma'am, Ashmit's group.
Okay, Catherine, I just wanted to know anybody, but Agna and all didn't do, I think, right? Agna didn't do. Agna is
No,
present.
ma'am.
What, Catherine, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in your group, who else is there remaining?
Ashmit is there.
Huh? Okay,
Then, ma'am, 1 second. I'll come 1 second.
yes. Okay, what about the next group now?
Ma'am, you gave for the first two groups.
Only for first two groups I gave, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first group was whose it was?
Ma'am, Ashmit's.
Ashmit's. Okay.
absent.
Oh, so Ashmit's group, anyone is remaining? That's what I wanted to know. Who is remaining? Ellen, Joy. Okay. And Agna also didn't do. Akhila, what about Akhila? Akhila is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is she?
Yes, ma'am. She is not connected to audio.
Akhila, she can hear, right?
No, ma'am.
She cannot hear?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, she has disconnected her audio.
Disconnected.
Ma'am means you cannot hear her or we cannot hear her.
She can't hear what I'm talking?
No, ma'am.
Oh my God. Okay, then Ellen, shall we start? Yours? Adnan is here. Okay, if you want, you can share the screen. I have put.
Okay, ma'am.
Akhila, Agna also don't do. Catherine, just after this, you tell me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Human capital.
What's missing?
Ma'am, for we will need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together land, labor, and physical capital and produce and output either to use yourself or to sell in the market. And this is known as human capital. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital, and human capital, which are known as factors of production. Ma'am, only this much is it.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am, only this much is given to me.
Okay, you could have a little more. Okay, only it's okay. Fine then. Okay, so Ellen is done. Now I will call out the names. Those who are here, just tell. Adnan is present or not? Absent.
Ma'am, he's absent.
He is absent. Whether his is done?
No, ma'am.
No, I think, right?
No, ma'am.
Agna?
Only Ansel and Leah did.
Yes, Agna also didn't do. Absent, right? Akila didn't do. Ellen didn't do. Alana? Alana?
Ma'am, Alana will be doing with her group, right?
Alana will be doing. Okay, fine. Alina? What about Alina?
She's absent.
She's absent. Alna? Ellen, I know you did now. Alna?
She's absent.
She's absent. Ansel?
Present, ma'am.
Did. You did and Leah also did, right? Ashmit?
Ma'am, absent.
Ashmit is absent. Whether he was with his group, he did? No.
No, ma'am, he didn't do.
No, ma'am.
He didn't do. Ayman? Okay, Catherine, your group, you tell.
Ma'am, Ashmit, Ayman, Devika, and Alna Jonas
Okay,
painting.
so okay, Ashmit will be doing with his group, okay? Not your group. Ashmit is a group leader, right?
Yes, no, ma'am. He is in my group.
But
Ashmit.
that is what I told. If okay, if group leaders will be doing in with your group, okay, because when you are doing this, when you, I want you to send only the homework and assignment to others.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. Now in your group, you just tell Devika. Devika is in your group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Devika, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can.
Ma'am, I'll be sharing the screen for Devika.
Ah, sure, sure, sure. Yes, you can start.
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Good morning, myself Devika here to do the seminar. So we will start with the cultivated area over years. So as you can see, in 1915, the cultivated area was 120 million hectares. After 10 years, that is in the 1970, it increased to 130 million hectares. From 1970 to 2000, it was 140 million hectares, and in 2010 and 2012, it was 155 million hectares. From this, we could understand that there is an increase in the cultivated areas. Shivani, can you change the slide?
Is there increase in the cultivated areas? But what about the last 2 points? That what about the last 2 years? I mean 2010 and 12.
It was 155 million hectares.
So see, there is a feature land is fixed. That is what they wanted to tell you through that numbers. Okay, the last 2 years it is remaining fixed. Now there is no more land for cultivation. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
One way of increasing production from the same land is by multiple cropping, and the other way uses modern farming method for higher yield. Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single stem. Till the mid of 1960s, the seed used were traditional ones and the yield was slow. Traditional seed needed less irrigation. Farmers used cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizer. All these were really available with the farmers who did not have to buy them. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay, so just you can tell in your own words now, what is that last slide about? Yes or no? Can you just yeah, you can just explain it what it is rather than reading, right? Just explain it what it is. What is that last slide about? It's not audible. You please unmute that.
I can.
You just you read what about what you have read about in that? What is that?
Last slide was about the seed irrigation.
Okay, so they are talking about traditional farming. So just tell in your own words what all things we are using in traditional farming. You can tell that, right? In your own words, try to tell. Yes, come on. Okay, you want to share that slide or what?
No.
No. Okay, just to see, read that now once. Okay, now just tell in your own words what it is. Don't read that. Just tell in your own words. Try. first slide which you showed there, you were talking fluently. I mean, what is that? This year this happened, and after 10 years, what happened? You told. So this also one point you can. Yes.
In 1960s, they
Okay, tell.
the seed were traditional ones.
So
and
what is
they
the
need
speciality of
less-
that seeds?
Ma'am, they need less irrigation.
Okay.
Farmers used cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizers.
Okay. So what is the speciality of that particular one? And so all these were available with whom?
Ma'am, farmers.
Yes. So whether they spend a lot of money for that, for buying
No.
from outside or anything? No.
No, ma'am.
So what happens to the cost of production?
Ma'am, all these were available with farmers who did not have to buy it.
Yeah. So what happens to cost of production? How much, whether they are spending more money or not?
No, ma'am.
No. So the cost of production will be less. So that's
Less.
what, yeah, this, when you are telling, you can just explain in your own words rather than reading. That will be better. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. Bye. It's time now. Thank you, everyone. Next period we'll continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.